All right, so man, I need to fix my mic. I need to buy a new one because this sound like a shit. But anyway, so today it's Monday. Tomorrow I'm flying to Argentina and I just received a new email from Air Delta that there is some storm. I don't know. I hope they will not delay or cancel my flight, man. I need to be in Buenos Aires for the conference. So today I only traded one stock and I wanted to show why again stock selection is a key and this is how you can save money. This is how I save money, this is how I survive, this is how I'm staying alive. So basically this one WNW it's a Chinese one and for me when I see Chinese I just avoid and that's it. It's as simple like that. Why? I can go deep, I can explain, but in short Chinese are not, they don't have regulation and they can easily lie, they can manipulate, they can do whatever they want, they can show numbers, they can play games, and they are playing games. That's the thing. So this one, for example, this one was Chinese one, and actually let me add a note. Oh, what? So I will just add a note. China. So basically, this one went up from, let's say, from 220 to almost 14. This is 500% move. This is fucking insane, man. This is fucking insane. So imagine that you were shorting this one, right? You got squeezed. Anyway, yeah, the backside, it's a good. I think the only thing where maybe you can maybe have an edge is the bounce one, right? If it's bouncing like this, because the bounce was good. But anyway, I am not touching this one, so I don't want to. I don't want even to explore the possibility of trading the China stocks. It's a pure avoid. So I just wanted to show. Uh, because for sure this was overcrowded today. You see, it's a only gapper like this crazy one, and I think it was all overcrowded. For sure, some people made money, but I think you need to have experience, big accounts, but a lot of people got smoked. So the one that I traded is HCWB. This one, yeah. So this one it's armistice. I already mentioned one stock last week. So basically, those guys they love to dump. When they are dumping, they love to dump. And the thing is, so my scanner doesn't show anything less than $1. So when this hit at $1, I was shorting here. Actually, I'm thinking, should I start showing my executions and like from DAS, like where I entered, where I exit? I don't want to show how much money I made or lose. I think that's not a good thing. But I'm thinking just to show my position, right, where I went in or out. I might start doing that, but that cannot be public for sure. So I need to do it private. I don't know. I will see. Anyway, so I was shorting here around one, and just cover when it dropped below. I didn't have big size, so it wasn't super big play. Honestly, I missed again this move. Now I was thinking to go in, but I'm waiting because now we are entering in the power hour, zombie hour. So I'm calling it 2 p.m. pattern. There is a squeeze at 2 p.m. It could happen. So I need to see what will happen, especially for the close. I don't want to get stuck in this one because I'm traveling tomorrow. I need to go to, actually I'm going to Italy and then I'm going to US and then I'm going to Buenos Aires. So I don't want mine to have any positions. So yeah, I was shorting this one. So let's add some notes. So yeah, they had 3 million warrants at 0.61 and it was armistice. Uh, they also have 2.5 million warrants, but they have at no, they have wait. Aha, sorry, they have actually 170k at 745. So this is far away. I think they use those warrants for sure because if you look, 161. they were up like more than 50%. There is a golden rule, 44% above. They like to take a profit. This is something that I learned from some books. So it's kind of the rule. So now let me check that one. So it was this one. So up what? So 6.2 million float. Let's add 6.2 million float. They need cash. Basically, they don't have cash. So they need cash left. So they really need cash. Badly, they need cash. They are burning 3.5 million per quarter. So they need cash. Yeah, for sure. They will use the warrants, and we can confirm tomorrow. So there was news 5 hours ago. Yeah, it was some research. Not super bullish news, so I decided to attack again around here. Now, because of the news, they can push the price and they can use the warrant. So yeah, this was super easy play. At least this will cover my stakes and stuff in Buenos Aires. So was not bad. Let's just double check the news. Just so HCWB. Now, and basically, if you look the this is trade ideas. This is my scanner. By the way, this is how I see the stocks. Maybe some people are curious, but this is how I see the stocks. This is one of the pre-market scanners. So I have one onto the market open. Basically, it's a scanner. It's showing you a stock. I can hear on my headsets. It's amazing. The best one for sure for retails. That's why I'm using them. So let's just see the news for. Okay, so they did a pre-clinic. So findings are pre-clinics. News findings are pre-clinic. So yeah, it's pre-clinic. Basically, that's not super excited. That's it. I will try to kind of vlog. Maybe I will share some things from Buenos Aires, and I will trade from there with a couple of amazing traders, 7 figures. So yeah, speak soon. Bye.